guys, it's me Nick, and today we are going to collect some water from the creek. So let's go. Let's go forward right now. We're here, guys. Yes. Now, look, that path is cool, isn't it? Hey, Dad, what do you think?
I think we need to go find some water.
I agree with my daddy. So let's go to adventure.
Time for some music. Take your time to go down this hill. Hold on to branches, trees, and anything else that's safe. Be super slow and careful of seeds. Run from danger, duh. Guys, we will now get some water. I think you should wear shorts, but I like pants. Song swap. It's Splashy's time, guys. Super Splash is suspicious. OMG Power Splashies. Splashies is a game I made up when Zoe threw a rock. Song switch. Get out sawhorses. The first. And the second. Dad got out the pots. Next we boil it. Careful to not spill it. It's on the stove.